Hi guys, today we look at all the do's and don'ts for the interview background, especially to focus on the background because now all the interviews are going online. Your picture talks a lot about you. Yeah, so background, how the background look like, they can digress the panelists rather than focus on you, they focused on the background. Plus sometimes it might get a very bad impression because where you are, who is in the background, suppose your mom or dad is just roaming around, so that creates a very bad impression. So today's video will talk about all the do's and don't for the online interview, especially focusing on the background. So this kind of background according to me is a big no-no because I'm getting distracted. If I'm taking an interview, I'll ask you, kahan pe ho? Tumhari in the hotel? Are you in the bedroom? Where are you now? So this kind of background is a big no-no. Hi guys, this is my hotel room and suppose today I have an interview. Yep, I have to have an online interview. So where I should take the interview because background is very important for the interview. So let's try to look at which side where if I sit, I'll get the best view or I can create a very professional environment for the interview. So today we are going to talk about that. Now this is a very classy hotel, but background is very bad. You can see a towel, I can see the coffee cup, tea cup, dustbin. So this is a big no-no. Now you see I made everything tidy. You know how much time it took me? 30 seconds. मेरे को भी मम्मी का याद आ गया यार. मम्मी कहती थी ना, बेटा क्लीन करो, रूम साफ करो, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. It's a fact. So this is how the background should be for your interview. Okay, next in line is the almirah in the background. This is, I think, more than bed. Almirah, having almirah in the background is a very common mistake people do. White almirah, dark almirah. I've seen a YouTuber, yaar, he makes videos, very famous YouTuber, not that famous also, have almirah in the background. I'm like, please guy, please don't put the almirah in the background. Yeah, because that creates a bad impression. Alright. Another big no-no is light coming behind you. So light have to be always in front of you. So if I'm sitting here and doing my interview, you can see my face will become dark. Yeah, so that will be very distracting. Panelists should not see dark faces. Yeah, normally we do that. Most of us have our table or bedroom mein jo office table or the study table next to the window, and light comes to your face. But if you are facing on the other side, if the light is behind you, is a totally big no-no. Your face will become too dark. Yeah, so this will be creating a very bad impression on the panel. So this kind of background is again a big no-no. The most common background is the bedroom, is a bed behind you, because most of the students, most of us have a bedroom as our study room. So background mein bed aana is a very common thing. I've taken many interviews where people have a bedroom in the background, but again that will be a very bad impression. It's very unprofessional, yaar. See, for you, everybody know it's coronavirus, you are sitting at home, so not getting the ideal environment for the interview. But for the panelists, it's very important to show that where you are. Yeah, so for them, create an impression that you are right now in your best form or in a very formal environment, and that's very important to show. So bed as a background again is a big no. So I can do the interview in this corner as well, but sitting there in the corner will create a very bad impression. So because the wall is not that great. Here the light is too much. I can sit here, but again the TV will distract the view and all. I have a table chair here, more of a dressing table, but yeah, again it will not create a good impression. Okay, next common mistake people do is having a bad wall in the background. For example, here we have a lot of dirt here on the wall. Or sometimes you've seen that papdi nikla hota hai. Let me show you if this room have somewhere papdi nikla hua. So that act as a very bad background as well. Suppose, look at here. Now this, in every home, including my home as well, you'll find walls which have cracks or which have the paint going off. So if you record videos with that as a background, it will create a really bad impression. See, you might be living in a 5-star hotel. This is a good, not 5-star, but this is a decent star hotel. But this kind of a wall, if I show you in an interview as a background, it's a big no-no. So we all have these kind of backgrounds, but please avoid them. I've seen a lot of people having almirah in the background, the bookshelf in the background. So if you have a bookshelf, great, which is very well made or very well designed by your dad or maybe you can keep it. But otherwise, avoid it because they will check the books. Rather than focusing on you, they'll start checking out the background for the books. Okay, so again, avoidable. Now we move to the final part where I should record the video. I want a plain background. So this background can act as a plain background for me. So if I go more focus near to that, so this. See, this is my wall. I came close to this. I put my camera as close as possible so that I can have a white background. If I have record my video here, or if I prepare myself to take the interviews, to give the interview from here, I think that will act as a very good background. So I put that chair here, so I'm sitting here now and give the interview. So this I think is the best background. So look around you in your room, in your bedroom, in your hall, wherever you are, try to find out a plain background, because plain background के बाद खड़े हो, complete focus is going to be on you. And that's exactly what we want. We want panelists to look at you, not the behind, not the area behind you, and trying to judge you from the backgrounds. Alright, so all the best. In the next video, I'll talk about what should be the height of this thing. Now, this is a perfect setting because of the light coming on my face as well. So this is the natural light. Yeah, and nothing can beat a natural light. You can put as many lamps as you can, but natural light is the best photography you can get. And this is important. Okay, trust me. So sometimes what happens, most of us have a study table which is facing the wall. Okay, because I don't want the distraction away from the room, facing the wall. So what you can do, you can pull your study table thoda piche, put the chair behind that, so that wall become your background. Plain wall. No charts here, nothing. No motivational speeches here. No prizes here. Lot of people show their prizes. Avoid it. Big time avoid it. Alright. All the best. Content is the main thing, no doubt about this, but background is equally important in the online interviews. All the best.